Hi everyone, welcome back to Savage Kitchen. Today I'm making scones just with 4 ingredients, which is so simple and easy to make. The first thing you have to do is preheat your oven to 180 Celsius degrees. And here I'm pouring 1 cup of lemonade to the mixing bowl. And then I'm adding 1/8 teaspoons of baking powder. Or you can just add a pinch of baking powder. It doesn't make a big difference because we are using self-rising flour for this recipe. Here I'm adding half a cup of cream and I'm mixing them until it combines well. Every time I shift flour before I use them. So now I'm adding my wet ingredients mixture to 2 cups of shifted self-rising flour and combining them until it becomes a soft dough. I'm using my cookie cutter to cut this one. If you don't have a cutter, that's fine. You can cut the dough into 4 pieces and you can make little balls out of that. So I'm done with this one, and here I'm brushing some milk to give a good color. Now it's baking time. You can bake it for about 20 minutes. Now you can enjoy these delicious scones with cream and jam. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting recipes. Stay safe. Bye until next time.